In today's video, I will show you how you can change your clock size when your Mac screen is locked. So firstly, what you want to do, we want to go to System Settings, okay. From here you want to find Wallpaper and then Clock Appearance. So click on Clock Appearance. From here you can see your preview. So this is how it's going to look when you have your screen locked. So you can see the time here, and now we can change where you want to show the large clock. So we can either choose never, this is going to disappear. You can choose on lock screen, on screensaver, or lock screen. So I'm gonna choose, let's say, this first option. Now we can change like font of the text or numbers. So if I click on, let's say, this one, you can see the stripes in the numbers. And you can find which font you want. So let's say we'll go with this stripe one. Then we can choose weight, which is basically like thickness of the numbers. So you can keep it as like this. And this is going to change the size of the clock. Okay, so this was a quick video how to change or how to increase clock size on your Mac when you have locked screen. And if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.